And obviously, if you are just a card magician, then you should know how to do card flourishes. And here's why. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue. Yo, what's up friends, it's Lazar here and this is the first vlog on Making Impossible, and obviously this is the first vlog. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit interesting, and it's not only just not interesting, it's also going to be very much informative, because in today's video I'm actually not going to show you anything, but I'm actually going to talk about magic and cardistry and the relation between them, and why both of these things are needed and why they should be the two sides of a same coin, especially for card magicians. Before beginning today's video, I'm going to tell you few things, few points, and the first point is obviously, if you're not subscribed yet, what the f are you doing, bro? Make sure you smash the subscribe. Alright, this is the like button, but doesn't matter, bro. You need to subscribe to this channel if you aren't subscribed yet, because this channel is going to create amazing contents in future too, and I'm also going to make some amazing informative videos like this. And if you are subscribing, then make sure you turn on the post notifications, or just click it if it tastes good. And this video is going to be very informative for all the magicians out there, because if you're a magician and if you're like doing shows, you obviously know you can't leave card magic, because it's one of the most important part of magic. And obviously, if you are just a card magician, then you should know how to do card flourishes, and here's why. Well, before beginning about the topic why you should do card flourishes, I want to say the things that the magicians think why they shouldn't do card flourishes. And obviously, first thing that magicians tell to me that yes, if they are going to do card flourishes while they are doing card magic and while they're performing, it's going to be very difficult for them, because people will that time take it granted, or they will think that they don't have any kind of magical powers. The only thing that they are showing is sleight of hand. They are just fooling them. And obviously, the thing that I'm going to talk about this point is, this is 21st century, guys, and if you are thinking that way, I would say that you are a very old magician or a backdated magician, because right now, if you ask each and every people that what is magic, they say that this is nothing, this is just fooling people. And like literally everybody knows at this time that magic is nothing but sleight of hand and science combined together. So if you aren't like doing card flourishes because of that reason, that people are not going to think that you have magical powers, then you are one of those stupid magicians out there. And this is the only point that I found why magicians tell that they don't want to do card flourishes. But you know what, that's just the only point that you can tell why you shouldn't do card flourishes. But I can tell you more than that why you should do card flourishes while doing card magic tricks, okay? The first thing that I want to say, that if you are doing card flourishes while you are doing card magic tricks, your presentation level increases. And you're also going to agree on that point, because while doing card flourishes during card magic tricks, your handling skills get improved, your way of presentation gets improved, and for that reason your performance level gets improved up to a lot better. You know, you can say that a lot better, okay? And not only that, if you are actually a regular magician and if you're doing card magic tricks in your routine, then I would suggest you that you should do card flourishes, because it's one of the best way of doing presentation. Secondly, if you're interested in card flourishes such as false cuts, it's going to help you a lot in your card magic tricks, because sometimes you might also want to like shuffle the deck, but like you're showing that you're shuffling the deck, but in reality you're not going to shuffle the deck. You're just going to keep the cards at the same position, but you're also going to show off at the same time. So you can also do a fancy false cut. For example, you can actually go for the Sybil cut, okay? So you can do the Sybil cut. It will look like that you're shuffle the deck, but you're actually not shuffling the deck, and you're also just showing off your skill. So it's also going to take your performance level to the next level, and not only that, you're also going to use that moves for magic tricks. Thirdly, it's also going to help you do misdirection. For example, let's say if you're going to put this card to the center of the deck without your spectators noticing, then what you're going to do is to put the top card to the center of the deck. You either need to do this cut, or you can do a Charlier cut with just one hand. But if you don't want your spectators to know that you are actually doing a Charlier cut, then what you're going to do is You're just going to take a random card from any part of the deck and you can just do card flourishes on one hand. For example, this one card flourish, that is a card twirl, and on the other hand, during doing this twirl, you can also do that Charlier cut. So your spectator's attention is over here, and on the other hand, you're actually doing the Charlier cut. Okay, so your spectators doesn't know that you're actually doing the Charlier cut over here because they're paying concentration over here, right? And that is the third point. The fourth point is, if you're interested in doing sleight of hand, but because of your hands are small and you can't do sleight of hand and you can't do cardistry, and if you practice doing cardistry, then obviously it's going to open up your fingers so that you can actually master sleight of hand in just minutes or just few days or just few weeks, depend on the level of the sleight. And that's a very important thing that the cardistry actually does. It actually helps you make your fingers flexible, and you can adapt your hand to do any kind of card magic you want to, and it also improves your sleight of hand. And the fifth point is, doing cardistry along with card magic, it's going to make you unique, it's going to make you stand out among all the other magicians out there, and it's going to obviously make you better than all of them. And for that reason, if you're a magician, you should start doing cardistry today and just do some basic moves. If you're a card magician, I would say that do some basic moves as well as some advanced moves, because it's going to make your performance level to the next level. And if you're just a cardist, you can also take up magic along with it so that you can just go with the flow and make your performances look more beautiful. And I'm not going to actually force any one of you to do anything. It's just my point of view. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and if you think anything else that can be done with this, if I was wrong, or if you have any other point of views, make sure you put them in the comment section. Also, by the way, the most important point that I missed was about Instagram. If you're on Instagram, then you should know that Instagram is a very good place for magicians and cardists. And if you're a magician or a cardist and you can make compilation of magic and cardistry moves and just play with your camera angles and editing and just make a good video and drop it on your Instagram profile with good hashtags so that everybody comes and see what your performance is. And that's a very good place for aspiring magicians and cardists for growing their profile, growing their name, growing their fame. And by the way, if you're on Instagram, make sure you follow me at @Shol_Zari. And that's it for the vlog. Make sure you hit the like button, and if you have any questions or any kind of things to say about this, or if you have any more ideas about magic and cardistry relation, then just use the comment section for that. And also make sure you smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace! This is going to be a very good thumbnail, I think so. What do you think?